Hey everyone, today I thought I would just hop on and show you two very easy eyeliner looks. It is a way to add color to your makeup if you're a little scared like me. Sorry that the lighting is going to be kind of weird. It is 5:40 p.m. Also my mirror is like right here, which is unfortunate for me because this is my bad cheek, but you know, we're just gonna disregard that. So the three things that I use to achieve this very easy look, this is actually a pink lip liner. This is the KKW Lip Liner Pink 2, a pink matte blush, and then a little angled liner slash eyebrow brush. And I already have everything on my face done except for my eyeballs. So basically you can do this with any color so long as you have a cream and a powder to set that cream. Oh gosh, also my nail polish is chipping and it's very ugly, I'm sorry. If you have a sharp enough liner, you can just go straight to your eyes. So I'm just gonna start applying only on my lid. Like I'm not gonna wing it out yet. And I really only go like halfway. And then I take this brush on here directly. Make sure it's clean. I just cleaned my makeup brushes last week and I haven't used this brush. So I just painted on the brush a little bit like this. Oh God, Rachel, that would be so horrible. I just put this open on my white duvet. Okay, and then I kind of just, I don't know how to explain this. If you've watched me long enough, you know that I'm not very good at explaining what I'm doing. And then I just go on the inner part and like slowly make it skinny enough to where it looks good to kind of just stop it. I don't go all the way to my inner corner. I maybe go like 3/4 of the way in. And this line doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to clean it up. Q-tips and makeup remover. Cool beans. Let's do the other eye. Also, I would imagine lip liner is safe for the eyeballs, but I'm actually not certain, so do this at your own risk if you use lip liner on your eyeballs. And then I'm just gonna finish off the inside part so it's not so blunt. Next, same brush. I'm gonna dip it in some matte pink blush, or I mean literally if you have matte pink eyeshadow, go for it, but I don't. So I'm improvising. Tap it off and set the eyeliner. Set the cream. Just kind of packing, not swiping it. Okay, cool. I'm gonna take a little bit of makeup remover and a Q-tip. I just go like this. Ah! Just kidding. I don't do that. Look, I'm not looking for perfection. I'm not looking for perfection. Some people spend hours on their makeup to make it perfect and it's beautiful. I think that is artistry, but I'm not one of those people. Cool. All right. And that's the pink eyeliner. Now I'm gonna apply mascara. Hydration break. Wait. I kind of swallowed that. Wrong. Come on with me. Can do what I do. I can beat it up with no help. Oh wait, I guess the real word is boyfriend, but then girlfriend. Oh wait, you should tell her. Ooh, messy TikTok it's not a place you want to be found on. Okay, like always, I'm using Mr. Big from Lancome. Okay, I'm gonna go finish this and be right back. All right, kiddos, here it is. I just applied top and bottom mascara, and then I'm gonna finish off with a little bit of highlighter. I like to look shiny, what can I say? And there you have it. So that literally took, I started at 5:37, it's now 5:54. That is, math, 17 minutes. So yes, this is how I can take any regular makeup look and add some funk and spice to it with pink eyeliner. So I hope you enjoyed watching this quick little tutorial. But really, are my videos tutorials, or are you just watching me put on makeup? Because I don't really know how to explain stuff, therefore it doesn't really make it a tutorial, but you know, whatever. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you want, like it if you want, tell your friends if you want, and I'll catch you around next time. Bye.